I see many developers has problem regarding their AI, which AI models to use into their projects, for their customer supports, for their internal AI data analytics, or what we call it an all AI driven. But when it comes to intelligence, when it comes to cost, the results are quite different and you have to think about it. So, as per my recommendations, so when it comes to cost or when it comes to intelligence, there are two different sectors of models you have to use, and you have to think about it that which work will it do for it. Like when it comes to just intelligence and just data driven work, like analyzing data as Excel sheets, PDFs, or like for your customers, they have to analyze the things and they have to give results according to it. Like I have seen a platform with the hair care platform that actually give results on the basis of the data or screenshots or something short clips that it gets from it and analyzes on them. So it needs a great intelligence, like with the American models and even with the Chinese models, they are great at it. But when it comes to a cost, Chinese has a cheaper cost. I don't know how about it. They just like distill American models. But yeah, it might solve your problem too. But when it comes to privacy, Chinese models are just far away from it. And American models are quite great at it. Just compare with Anthropic or OpenAI or Gemini. They're great at it. There are multiple tools, multiple features, even same features copies the Chinese models, and yeah, they might give similar results. Like we compare with sedans and like what we call it, as we compare the Anthropic with the ZAI, with it, what we call it a GLM, they're models, specific models. But when it comes to cost and when it is beared by the developers of the project, so you need to think about it. Whether you need a intelligent and privacy-based platform, then you have to use the American models, but their costs are quite high that you have, if you have ability to bear it, then you have to like you must do it. But when it comes to a small projects like the customer supports, simple analyzing, when it comes to chatting or something like that, you can use the cheaper Chinese models. Just keep in mind you don't need to share the full company details, like the internal data that actually will blow up on internet later on, as we see that the Chinese copies everything. So that's the moral of the this AI driven platforms and the models that you have to use. So keep in mind every model you use has a different use cases, like the GLMs, and that has the great at coding. The DeepSeek is great at like chatting when it comes to Chinese models. When it comes to American models, the Anthropic is great at reasoning and it does multiple tasks. When it comes to image generation, video generations, Anthropic doesn't do it. So Gemini is great at it. Image generations with text, ChatGPT Imagen, and even the Nano Banana is great working at it. So you have to think about it, and come it comes to an result that when it comes to cost, you have to use Chinese models. I don't recommend, but if you are need to do cost efficient projects, then you have to think about it. And when it comes to privacy and data driven, then you can use American models as per your choice. And that's all for today. So I am Rishikesh signing off.